Hello, I am Dev Kishan Khatri from section 2 and my roll number is 20NA300111. For this week assignment of DIY, I am going to disassemble of TV box. So as you can see, I have connected this TV box to my desktop monitor. So here is connected to VGA cable and also connected to monitor, and this is power cable. So as you can see screen, I check first volume button and channel button. So as you can see working right now. So volume button is working well and channel button is also working well. So this is the on off button. Now this is short time video for disassembling of TV box. So here is fan, which is basically used to cool down of the circuit. Now start the analysis of circuit node. First we can notice as cylindrical capacitor. These capacitors are basically used to toggle between the waste channel and the current in this capacitor, and the voltage are controlled using this microprocessor. So all the components of circuit are the linked, and then capacitor voltage are modified in order to toggle between the waste channel. It's also working mentioned that circuit board the made of oxide and these small wire terminal and other connection are the made either silver and aluminum. This port is input for the TV company, and this is the power button, and this is the LED of the black color. And this is the audio port. It basically used to connect earphone and a headphone to TV box. These are the buttons made of the plastics. Now assembling again. Now after assembling, I am checking again the TV box. So I press on. So channel button is working well and volume button is also working well. So thank you.